Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lusambo. In this video, I'm going to show you the ideas that you can use to start your own YouTube channel without showing your face, without appearing on camera. So if you want to learn more about this, hit the subscribe button below and don't forget to like this video. Among of the ideas that you can use to start your own YouTube channel without showing your face, without being on camera, is providing tech reviews or tutorials. Now, a good example is this channel. It's called Tech Gumbo. So you can use this channel as an inspiration to know how they are doing. And they have got, up to this moment, almost 1 million subscribers. They are nearly to 1 million subscribers, as you can see it here. It's 900,000 right now. So almost 1 million subscribers. Let us check how many views do they have received up to this moment. If we check the number of views, let us scroll down here. They have got 151 million views up to this moment. 151 million views up to this moment. And in their channel, if you check among their popular videos, as you can see here, there are several videos that have got millions and millions of views, as you can see here. 5 million, 0.7, 5 million, 0.7, 5 million, 0.7, 4 million, 0.9, 4 million, 0.9, 4 million, 0.2. So they have got so many views. Now let us check on how much do they make per month and per year. If we go to Social Bread, we can check the estimates that how much do they make per month and per year. They make this amount 1K to 16K estimated earnings. So estimated monthly earnings is 1K to 16.2K per month. But this is just an approximation. So the amount can be more than this. And per year, as you can see it here below, they make 12.1K to 194.4K per year. So this is just an estimation. So can it be more than this? And usually it will be more. Another good idea, you can start a cooking channel. So you can start a cooking channel without showing your face or even sometimes even voice. Just demonstrate on how to prepare a particular food or whatever. Now, a good example that you can get an inspiration is this channel. It's called Tasty. So this has got 19 million.4 subscribers. 19.4 million subscribers. These are amazing. This is incredible. So many subscribers, as you can see here. 19, so almost 20 millions up to this moment. Now, the amount of views that they got, usually millions and millions of views, whatever they posted their video. Let me show you among their popular videos. And they have several channels. They have multiple channels here. So I'll show you another channel that they have. Also, they have so many subscribers. So these are very good initial. So if you can do this, as you can see here, they have 37 millions. This one 35 millions. This one 25 millions. This one 25 millions. This one 24 millions. So they get a lot of views of this kind of videos. Now let us check how much do they make. If we go to Social Bread, we can check the amount that they make per month is 13.2 to 211,000 per month. Now, how much do they make per year? Year estimation is 158K to 2.5 million US dollars. So they can be more than this. So usually they may be making 2.5 to 3 million US dollars per year. So it's a lot of money. Just showing cooking videos without showing their face. So that's amazing. So that's another good idea that you can use. Also, they have another channel. It's called Tast, as you can see here. Also another channel. recipes. It's called Taste Recipes. So also they have so many subscribers. Now they are almost 1 million subscribers. This is their second channel. Now, if we check how much do they make in this second channel, let us check how much do they make on of this second channel, their second channel. As you can see here, their earnings, their monthly earnings is 1.4K to 22.4K US dollars per month. Now here estimation earnings is 16.8 to 200,068 uh, per month per year. So they making six figures their second channel, and their first channel, as we saw, they are making almost 3 million US dollars. So that's a lot of money. Another idea that you can use to start a YouTube channel without showing your face is just using quotes and putting them in a slideshow and adding your voiceovers or music, background music. Now, a good channel that you can use for inspiration in this category or in this niche is Wonder Zone. So they have so many views. They just prepare quotes, or they take quotes, famous quotes, or they prepare their own. Then they put in a slideshow, and by adding voiceovers. So also you can use background music if you like, or just for voiceovers. Also, it's enough. Also, this niche or this channel idea has so many uh, views. Now let us check how many views this channel has already got. It has only 1 year since it was started. So they have 4 millions. So 4 millions views up to this moment. So these are a lot of views. So they've made a lot of money up to this moment. Now let us check the amount that they have got up to this moment. If we go to Social Bread, as you can see, they have only 54 uploads up to this moment, but they have got more than 4 millions views up to this moment, just 1 year. And how much do they make per month? If we check here on Social Bread, you can see they make 172 to 2.8K per month. And estimated year earnings is 2.1 up to 33.1K. So they are making a lot with just a simple channel like that one, and 4 million views up to this moment. So this amount is just estimation. So okay, maybe they are making more than this, and possibly they are making more than this. So this is a very, very simple channel to start, a simple channel idea to start. Just use quotes, add voiceovers or background music, then you are ready to go. Friend, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button below, hit the like button,